Hello viewers, welcome to MK Wisdom. In this video, I'm going to search and show you the tallest skyscraper in Andhra Pradesh on Google Map. Are you ready? Let's move. The tallest skyscrapers in Andhra Pradesh are located at Sitamadhara in Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, India. This is Visakhapatnam city. Visakhapatnam is the mega city of Andhra Pradesh and also financial capital. Here they are, the tallest skyscrapers in Andhra Pradesh. These are called Lansam Oxigen Towers. These towers are located at Sitamadhara in Visakhapatnam. There are so many skyscrapers in Andhra Pradesh, but these are the tallest skyscrapers in Andhra Pradesh. These are the twin towers. These oxygen towers have 36 floors. These towers are in the center of the city. We can see these towers from any side of the city. There is a helipad on the top of these buildings. These towers are one of the most beautiful structures in Visakhapatnam. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Please tap on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.